Good morning, dear kids. After reading chapter The Hidden Gift, today we are going to read a new chapter for grade second, and the name of the chapter is Things Are Puzzling. Beta, you all know the meaning of the word puzzle. Puzzle means confuse होना. When things get puzzled for us, we get confused. कई बार हमें समझ नहीं आता है कि क्या हो रहा है या मुझे क्या करना है. It means if you are under this situation or if you are facing these kind of circumstances, then we can say you are confused or you are puzzled. So today we are going to read a chapter, and the name of the chapter is Things Are Puzzling. This is a very nice chapter with a wonderful message. So please listen to me very carefully. Try to understand the meaning of each and every word, and I make sure that after reading the chapter, you will get a wonderful message. So now let us start with the reading of the chapter. Things are puzzling. This chapter is about a small girl, a little girl, and the name of the girl is Christina. So in this chapter, we are going to read how Christina face problem about the thinking of people. लोग क्या सोचते हैं, वो क्या देखते हैं, इन चीजों के बारे में क्रिस्टीना को बहुत she was surprised when she met many creatures, and she came to know that people have many or different ideas about you, what they think about you. So now we are going to start with the reading of the chapter, and with the reading of the chapter you will also come to know about the story and the wonderful message which is hidden in the chapter. तो चलिए बेटे स्टार्ट करते हैं. So Christina was walking through a field when she met an elephant. The little girl Christina, she was walking through field. Field ही ऑन है बच्चे. फील्ड मीन्स हम उनको बोल देते हैं खेत भी बोल देते हैं हम लोग उसको, ठीक है. और वी कैन से an area where the crops are grown or green areas, ठीक है. So Christina was walking through a field, and on her way she met an elephant. कौन मिला उसको? Elephant. So first creature which she met on her way was an elephant. So elephant is the first creature. Let us write first over here. हम यहाँ पे one लिख भी देते हैं. So elephant is the first creature. She said, "Good morning, Mr. Elephant." Her mother had taught her to be polite. So very politely she said good morning to the elephant. Now बच्चे, here we have got the word polite. That what is the meaning of the word polite? बेटे polite का मतलब होता है, यहाँ पे we can say to be kind, kind होना, ठीक है. Let me write the meaning of the word over here. You can say kind, ठीक है. और we can also say soft spoken. काइंड एंड सॉफ्ट स्पोकन, ठीक है. सॉफ्ट स्पोकन कौन होता है बच्चे? जो लोग बहुत प्यार से दूसरों से बात करते हैं, ठीक है. विद वेरी वेरी रिस्पेक्टफुली दे टॉक टू अदर पीपल. सो वेरी पोलाइटली शी सेड टू द एलिफेंट, गुड मॉर्निंग मिस्टर एलिफेंट. एंड हर मदर टॉट हर टू बी पोलाइट टू एवरीबडी, कि सबके साथ अच्छे से बात करनी है, प्यार से बात करनी है, सबको रिस्पेक्ट देनी है. ये उसको किसने सिखाया बेटे? उसकी मम्मा ने, जैसे आपको सिखाते हैं आपके टीचर्स, आपके पेरेंट्स, ठीक है. सो नाउ वी हैव नेक्स्ट, व्हाट इज योर नेम? आस्क्ड द एलिफेंट. द एलिफेंट सेड, व्हाट इज योर नेम? एंड द एलिफेंट rather impolitely, he spoke impolitely. Now what is the meaning of impolitely? Impolitely means not polite, opposite of polite. Opposite of polite, you can say not polite. मतलब उसका जो वे ऑफ टॉकिंग था वो अच्छा नहीं था, उसने क्रिस्टीना से अच्छे से बात नहीं की, ठीक है. सो ही वॉज नॉट पोलाइट, उसने अच्छे से बात नहीं की. सो ही वॉज वेरी impolite. Impolite is opposite of polite. And he said, what is your name? Christina said, the little girl Christina said, my name is Christina. And the elephant said, "You are very small," said the elephant and walked away. Christina is a little girl, and you all have seen elephant, maybe in real life or maybe in the movies on TV. But the elephant is a big creature. Elephant is and elephant is a big elephant, big animal. So यहाँ पे क्या था? तो एलिफेंट को लगा कि क्रिस्टिना तो बहुत छोटी है, ठीक है? इट मीन्स ही वॉज प्राउड. सो उसने कहा दैट यू आर वेरी स्मॉल, सेड द एलिफेंट एंड वॉकड अवे. एंड देन क्रिस्टिना, शी ऑल्सो वॉकड अवे. वो भी चलने लगी आगे. एंड on her way, she met a mouse. The next creature she met was a mouse. Then she met a mouse. You all have seen a mouse. Mouse is very small in size. बेटे mouse बहुत छोटा सा होता है ना? So she said, "Good morning, Mr. Mouse." She said. Again, she was very polite. She said good morning to the elephant also, and she said good morning to the mouse also. And she said, "I am a small little girl," replied Christina. अब यहाँ पे there is very much important thing which I need to tell you. उसने एलिफेंट को कहा था that I am a little girl. उसके बाद एलिफेंट ने उसको कहा that you are very small. And now she is saying that I am a small little girl. Why? Because बच्चे क्रिस्टीना is actually a little girl. उसको लग रहा है कि अगर उसको एलिफेंट ने बोल दिया स्मॉल तो वो स्मॉल भी है, लिटिल तो वो है ही है. तो अब उसने अपने नाम के साथ स्मॉल भी जोड़ लिया है एंड लिटिल भी जोड़ लिया है. नाउ शी इज सेइंग आई एम अ स्मॉल लिटिल गर्ल, रिप्लाइड क्रिस्टीना. एंड देन द माउस सेड दैट यू आर वेरी बिग. एलिफेंट वॉज वेरी बिग. अब एलिफेंट को लगा कि क्रिस्टीना बहुत छोटी है, बट माउस इज वेरी स्मॉल इन साइज. You all have seen a mouse. Mouse is very small in size. So he said that you are very big. अब बच्चे माउस जितना छोटा होता है उसके लिए तो क्रिस्टीना बहुत बड़ी है. Like you all are in grade 2nd or maybe in grade 1. You are very small to your parents. You are very small to me also. I am your teacher and you are very small to me also. But if you think from a mouse point of view, या फिर कोई ant है या grasshopper है, all these are very small creatures. But इनके सामने बेटे आप भी बहुत बड़े हो, है ना? So that's why the mouse said that you are very big, said the mouse, and scurried away. Now what is the meaning of scurried away? Scurried away का मतलब हो गया बच्चा run away. यहाँ पे we can say run away. ठीक है? Let me write here. यहाँ पे you can say run away. So run means चले जाना, वहां से चले जाना. ठीक है? So to run or to go. Run away we can say, or we can say to move. तो वो वहां से माउस चला गया. And what did he say to Christina? He said you are very big. माउस ने कहा. And then she went to her on her way. उसने फिर से चलना स्टार्ट कर दिया. ठीक है? And then she met a giraffe. Next time she met a giraffe. Good morning, Mr. Giraffe, she said. Again she was very polite. Good morning to you, said the giraffe. What are you? तुम कौन हो? And she said, I am a big, small, little girl. Again you note down the thing over here, बच्चे. लिटिल गर्ल तो वो थी. एलिफेंट ने उसको बोला था स्मॉल, तो देन शी सेड स्मॉल लिटिल गर्ल. नाउ द माउस सेड दैट यू आर बिग. अब उसको लग रहा है कि मैं तो बिग भी हूँ, स्मॉल भी हूँ. ठीक है? सो क्रिस्टीना इज ऑल पजल्ड. सो नाउ शी हैड स्टार्टेड सेइंग दैट आई एम अ बिग स्मॉल लिटिल गर्ल. बिग उसको माउस ने बोला, स्मॉल उसको एलिफेंट ने बोला, एंड लिटिल गर्ल तो वो थी ही. सो शी सेड आई एम अ बिग स्मॉल लिटिल गर्ल, replied Christina. The giraffe bent his neck. The giraffe bent his neck. Now, what is the meaning of bent? What is the meaning of bent? Bent को बच्चे you can say to bow down. बच्चे bow down का मतलब होता है झुक जाना. you all have seen a giraffe in real life or maybe in the TV, in the movies. जो जिराफ होते हैं बच्चे, उनके neck that is very long. They have a long neck, and because of the long neck, it was difficult for the giraffe to talk to Christina. Why? Because Christina was very small. तो जिराफ ने क्या किया? Giraffe bent his neck to look at her. उसने अपनी जो नेक थी वो बेंड की, टू बो डाउन. नेक बेंड करना मतलब बच्चे, यू सी हियर इन द पिक्चर, इस तरह से झुकना, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? बेंड. ही बेंट हिज नेक एंड सेड, यू आर वेरी शॉर्ट. द जिराफ सेड, क्रिस्टीना, यू आर वेरी शॉर्ट. नाउ अगेन शी हैव गॉट अ न्यू नेम. क्रिस्टीना इज गेटिंग न्यू नेम्स. When she meet a new creature, every creature is giving her a new name. Elephant said small to her. Mouse said big to her. And now the giraffe has given a new name to her, and that is short. Now again, Christina said goodbye to the giraffe. उसने बेटे जिराफ को भी goodbye बोल दिया. ठीक है? उसके बाद she walked on through the field and feeling puzzled. Now she was very puzzled. Now what is the meaning of puzzled, बच्चे? Puzzled means confused. I told you in the beginning of the chapter, puzzled means confused. ठीक है? When you are in a dilemma, जब आपको कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है, it means you are not in a condition to understand the things. यहाँ पे Christina is puzzled. Why? Because she is not understanding. She is not getting the things. She is not getting that why everybody is calling her with a different name. Why she is getting so many names from every creature. So after getting puzzled, she again went on to her way, and the next creature she met was a very round and prickly hedgehog. अब बच्चे, hedgehog is an animal. Hedgehog is an animal. A mouse-like animal. You can say a mouse-like animal. ठीक है? जैसे यहाँ पे देखिए बेटे, this animal is called hedgehog, and we are saying here that a prickly hedgehog. Now, what is the meaning of prickly? बेटे कई बार आपने when the weather is when in the summer season, when the season of summer or it's very hot during the summer season, many of the times if you notice, we use a powder and we call it prickly heat powder. Why do we call it prickly heat? Because हमारी जो बॉडी है उस पे हम लोगों को बच्चे एक तरह की इचिंग एंड रेडनेस हो जाती है. वी कॉल इट prickly. ठीक है? सो उसको क्या करते हैं, व्हेन वी अप्लाई दैट पाउडर ऑन दैट आवर बॉडी पार्ट, इट हील्स. उससे हमें थोड़ा सा रिलीफ मिलता है. सो द hedgehog इज ऑल्सो prickly hedgehog. सो prickly का यहाँ पे मतलब है बच्चे शार्प. शार्प को वी कैन से थोड़ा सा तीखा, जैसे कांटे होते हैं ना बेटा, थॉर्न्स और कांटे होते हैं जैसे. ठीक है? थॉर्न्स होते हैं. अब जो कांटे होते हैं वो चुभते हैं ना, प्लांट्स में होते हैं. जैसे रोज का जो प्लांट होता है उसमें देयर आर थॉर्न्स. तो वो क्या होता है, तो वो जब हमारे तीखे होते हैं, तो इसीलिए वी कॉल देम शार्प एजेस भी बोल सकते हैं. एंड इसको हम लोग hedgehog के लिए भी यूज द वर्ड prickly. मतलब उसकी जो ये जो बच्चे बॉडी होती है, इसके ऊपर ये जो थोड़ा सा तीखे वाला पोर्शन होता है. ठीक है? ऊपर उसके इट्स बॉडी इज कवर्ड विद अ prickly काइंड ऑफ मटेरियल, और वी कैन से जो भी उसके ऊपर फर होता है. उसके बाद वी हैव नेक्स्ट लाइन में वी हैव गुड मॉर्निंग मिस्टर hedgehog, she said. Again she was very polite and she said good morning to Mr. hedgehog. The hedgehog stopped. He pushed his head up. Head up means ऊपर की तरफ देखना. Then he pushed it up some more. What are you? He asked. Again the same question. He asked that what are you? Yeah, who are you? Up, Krishna is having many names, and she got a new name that is Short. Who gave her the name? Giraffe gave her the name Short. So now Krishna said that I am a short, big, small, little girl. Short was given by giraffe. ठीक है? Big by mouse, small by elephant. So replied Krishna, Said the hedgehog. You are very tall. And he trotted off. Now बच्चे, hedgehog is a very small animal and उसके लिए Christina is very tall. So he said that you are very tall. And उसके बाद it trotted off. Now what is the meaning of trotted off? बच्चे trotted का मतलब होता है यहाँ पे, you can say to move. To move या फिर you can say to walk, मतलब चले जाना. ठीक है, उसने ये उसको बोला that you are very tall and it left away. वो चला गया वहां से. ठीक है, quickly. The next creature she met was a snake. The next creature was a snake. So the snake asked, "What are you?" उसके गुड मॉर्निंग बोलने से पहले ही स्नेक ने पूछ लिया उससे, "What are you?" And she said, "I am a tall, short, big, small, little girl." Now again she has got a new name and the name is Tall. And who gave her that name? Tall. It was given by a hedgehog. So now she said that I am a tall, short, big, small, little girl, replied Christina. "You," said the snake slowly, "are very fat." You all have seen the snake. स्नेक बेटे बहुत पतला सा होता है, थिन होता है. ठीक है, अब उसने बोला क्रिस्टीना को that you are very fat because the snake is thin. वो पतला होता है तो उसको लग रहा है that क्रिस्टीना is very fat, वो मोटी है. And she said, the snake said that you are very fat and then disappeared into the grass. Now what is the meaning of disappeared? Disappeared का मतलब होता है बच्चे which cannot be seen, or we can say vanish. Vanish is also a word for that, but I'm using very simple words for you. So you can say which cannot be seen, जो जिसको हम देख नहीं सकते हैं. ठीक है, and it vanished into the grass, disappeared into the grass. उसके बाद the snake said that you are very fat, and after saying this the snake went into the grass. Then she met a buffalo, a very big buffalo, a huge. Huge means बेटे big. Huge का मतलब भी बेटा क्या होता है? Huge also means big, big in size. ठीक है, a very big buffalo, a huge, fat, big as a house buffalo. जैसे हम आप लोगों ने घर पे देखा होगा, मेनली विलेजेस में we find buffaloes. "Good morning, Miss Buffalo," she said very politely. Again she was very polite. Now you think बच्चे, she is meeting so many creatures and every creature is finding some mistakes in her. सबको लग रहा है, किसी को लग रहा है वो मोटी है, किसी को लग रहा है वो पतली है, कोई बोल रहा है वो छोटी है. ठीक है, बट इवन देन शी इज वेरी पोलाइट टू एवरीबडी. इसके बावजूद भी बेटे उसने किसी को भी कुछ भी गलत नहीं बोला. ठीक है, सो दिस इज अ वेरी वंडरफुल मैसेज विच वी आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर, कि हमें कभी भी किसी के साथ बुरा व्यवहार या कभी भी किसी से गंदे तरीके से या बुरे तरीके से बात नहीं करनी चाहिए. We need to be polite with everybody. We need to have some patience because patience is the root of survival. And now let us read in the next line. "What are you?" she grunted. Now the buffalo asked that what are you? Now what is the meaning of grunted? But grunted means you can say to speak slowly. To speak slowly मतलब बहुत ज्यादा loudly नहीं बात करना. मतलब the buffalo was not speaking so loudly. ठीक है, the buffalo was speaking in a low sound, थोड़ा सा धीरे, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं murmuring. We call it murmuring also. So to speak slowly, she grunted that what are you? Now Christina was getting tired of being so many different things. Christina was really tired. Why? Because now, after getting so many names from so many creatures, elephant ने उसको अलग नेम दिया, जिराफ ने अलग नेम दिया, देन hedgehog ने, स्नेक ने, everybody was giving her different names and now her name is very long. उसमें स्मॉल, लिटिल, ठीक है, टॉल, कितना कुछ जुड़ गया था, ठीक है, बट शी वॉज वेरी टायर्ड, बट इवन देन शी वॉज पोलाइट, इवन देन शी वॉज वेरी पोलाइट, एंड शी सेड, I am a fat, tall, short, big, small, little girl. The new name which she got was Fat. And who gave her that name? A snake. Snake said that you are very fat. Tall, short, big, small, little girl. She said, you are very, very thin. अब बेटे thin का मतलब होता है पतला. It is opposite of fat. Have you seen a buffalo? Buffaloes are very big, huge, fatty. बहुत मोटी होती हैं. अब बफलो को क्या लगा? द क्रिस्टीना इज वेरी थिन, वो तो बहुत पतली सी है. ग्रंटेड द बफलो. एंड then she met a tortoise. Now this tortoise is the last creature which she met. And who asked, what are you? Again the same question. The tortoise asked, who are you? I am a... And here Christina took a deep breath. Why, bete, she had taken a deep breath? Because she is really very tired. Telling her long name to so many creatures, and now she is very tired. Because every time she is getting a name, and her name is getting lengthy every time. And she is supposed to speak this much of lengthy name to every creature. So she is very tired. But even then, she said, that I am a thin, fat, tall, short, big, thin, fat, tall, short, big, small, little girl. Oh my God, what a big name. कितना बड़ा नेम हो गया है ना. तो अगर हमारा नेम बच्चे इतना बड़ा हो और हमें इतने लोगों को इतना बड़ा नेम बार बार बताना पड़े, हम तो खुद थक जाएंगे. We may also get tired. So she was also tired. And thin is the newly name she has got, and this name was given to her by a buffalo. And now she knew what the tortoise is going to say. And she said, and I know what are you going to say next. You are going to say that I am very quick. Quick means fast. We all know the meaning of quick. Quick means fast. Like everybody is finding mistakes in Christina. ठीक है, सबको उसमें कुछ ना कुछ गलतियां, कुछ ना कुछ कमियां दिखाई दे रही थी. तो उसको लगा कि जो टॉर्टोइस है वो भी उसको यही बोलेगा, बिकॉज टॉर्टोइस वॉक्स वेरी स्लोली. वी ऑल नो अबाउट दैट. ठीक है, तो उसको लगा, बिकॉज एवरीबडी वाज सेइंग द अपोजिट. एलिफेंट वाज बिग, उसको लगा क्रिस्टीना स्मॉल है. ठीक है, जिराफ वाज वेरी टॉल, उसको लगा क्रिस्टीना शॉर्ट है. ठीक है, स्नेक वाज वेरी थिन, उसको लगा ये फैट है. बफलो वाज वेरी फैट, उसको लगा ये थिन है. हेजहॉग को लगा ये बहुत ज्यादा टॉल है. तो अब उसको लगा दैट टॉर्टोइज इज वेरी स्लो, तो अब उसको लगेगा कि मैं बहुत फास्ट हूँ, उसको ये मेरी एक गलती लगेगी. एंड लाइक ऑल अदर क्रिएचर्स, टॉर्टोइज विल ऑल्सो फाइंड अ मिस्टेक एंड इट विल ऑल्सो से दैट आई एम वेरी क्विक. उसने कहा कि हाँ हाँ मुझे पता है, अब तुम मुझे यही बोलोगे कि मैं बहुत तेज हूँ. ठीक है, एंड द टॉर्टोइज सेड, नो आई वॉज नॉट गोइंग टू से दैट. उसने बोला, नो आई वॉज नॉट गोइंग टू से दैट. Said the tortoise, I forget what I was going to say. Then she said, can you tell me why I am called so many different things? Asked Christina. Christina ने tortoise को पूछा, because tortoise didn't give any new name to her. मेरी tortoise ने उसको कोई भी नया नेम नहीं दिया. उसने कहा, नो, मैंने तुम्हें किसी भी नई नेम से नहीं बुलाना था. Then उसके बाद she said, can you tell me why I am called so many different things? कि क्या तुम मुझे बता सकते हो कि जितने भी क्रिएचर्स से मैं मिली, जितने भी एनिमल्स से मैं मिली, सब मुझे अलग अलग नेम्स क्यों दे रहे हैं? कोई मुझे फैट बोल रहा है, कोई मुझे टॉल बोल रहा है, कोई मुझे बिग बोल रहा है, कोई मुझे स्मॉल बोल रहा है. Why this is happening to me? And the tortoise said, said the tortoise, things are puzzling. He said that things are puzzling, and here we have got the title of the chapter. So, bachche, the title of the chapter is Things Are Puzzling. And now we are going to learn that why things are puzzling to us. टॉर्टोइज ने कहा दैट थिंग्स आर पजलिंग, बट it depends on how you feel, not what people say. Most people say I am slow. तो टॉर्टोइज ने कहा that things are puzzling. Life is very puzzling. Life में many of the time you get confused with other people. क्योंकि बच्चे, how many people we meet every day? Each and everybody has a different point of view, a different way of thinking, a different way of seeing others. ठीक है, तो बेटे सब लोगों की अलग अलग सोच होती है, सब लोगों की जो है वो अलग अलग थिंकिंग होती है। ठीक है, किसी को मोटा अच्छा लगता है, किसी को पतला अच्छा लगता है, किसी को खाने में कुछ अच्छा लगता है, किसी को कुछ अच्छा लगता है, किसी को लॉन्ग हेयर अच्छे लगते हैं, किसी को शॉर्ट हेयर अच्छे लगते हैं। ठीक है, सो ईच एंड एवरीबडी, ईच एंड एवरी क्रिएचर ऑन दिस अर्थ इज डिफरेंट. God has made everybody different, and everybody has some special kind of qualities. And now the tortoise is giving the same message to Christina. The tortoise is saying that things are puzzling. Most people say I am slow, but sometimes I walk with my grandfather, then I feel very quick. उसने बोला कि मुझे लगता है that people say that I am very slow. We all know that tortoise is very slow. बट वो कहते हैं लेकिन जब when I move with my grandfather, तो मुझे लगता है कि मैं तो बहुत फास्ट हूँ. Why? Because grandfather is old. You also have grandfather. I also have grandfather. They are old. And when people get old, their energy level gets down. Like my grandfather, he walks very slowly. Even he needs a stick to move. Without using that stick, he can't even move. He can't even walk. He needs a stick. तो बच्चे मैं जितनी भी स्लो चलूं, लेकिन जब when I walk with my grandfather, तो उनके लिए तो मैं फास्ट हूँ. ठीक है, in the same way tortoise say that I am very slow. People say this, but when I walk with my grandfather, I feel very quick. So in the same way बच्चे, आपके पास जो भी है, मान लीजिए that you are very poor. ठीक है, you are very poor. ठीक है, but at least we are not that much poor. When you go on the road, you see many of the kids like you, they don't have even shelter on their heads, they don't have even good food to eat, they don't have even good clothes to wear. तो जब बेटे आप उनको देखोगे तो आपको लगेगा that you are very rich. ठीक है, so it depends upon people what they are thinking about themselves. हम अपने बारे में क्या सोचते हैं वो ज्यादा जरूरी है. तो इसीलिए the tortoise said that what people say, it doesn't matter. It should not matter to you. What you feel, what you think about yourself is the most important thing. And now I must go. Goodbye. And now the tortoise said goodbye to Christina. Goodbye, said Christina. And she decided to go home and have dinner. That was not puzzling at all. Things are not puzzling. Nothing was puzzling. Christina को लग रहा था that everybody is giving her a new name, so things are puzzling. But no, things are not puzzling. There is no confusion. Why? Because when you are clear about yourself, जब बेटे आपको पता है कि आप में क्या काबिलियत है, ठीक है, आपने अपने अंदर क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट करनी है, क्या डेवलपमेंट्स करनी है, ठीक है, when you want to enhance your skills, it means the things are not puzzling for you. लोग आपके बारे में बेटे गलत बोलेंगे, हमारे बारे में लोग क्या सोचते हैं वो मैटर करता है, लेकिन उससे ज्यादा मैटर ये करता है कि हम अपने बारे में क्या सोचते हैं. अगर किसी को लग रहा है कि आप छोटे हैं, आप मोटे हैं, या आप बड़े हैं, आप गरीब हैं, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. ठीक है, बिकॉज गॉड हैज गिवन स्पेशल काइंड ऑफ एबिलिटीज, स्पेशल थिंग्स टू एवरीबडी. यू ऑल आर वेरी स्पेशल. ईच एंड एवरी चाइल्ड इज वेरी स्पेशल. सो कभी भी किसी के कहने पे नहीं जाना है. ये नहीं सोचना है दैट व्हाट पीपल थिंक अबाउट यू. ये सोचना है दैट where are the chances where you can develop yourself in a positive way, where you can grow yourself in a positive way, and where you can get wonderful chances to enhance your skills. ठीक है, तो बच्चे हमेशा हम this is a wonderful message from the chapter which we have got, that हमें हमेशा अपने बारे में पॉजिटिव सोचना है. because when we think positive then we do positive. I hope this chapter is all clear to everybody. So this was your teacher. My name is Mamta Sharma. Thank you everybody and have a nice day.